So we want to release those stuck points so that Dr. Ben can have full range of motion in his neck here. However, he's a little bit restricted going this way, so we want to make sure we're giving good pulse right through here. We'll stuck through here, and that very base of the skull tends to be a sticking point for a lot of people, and that can be a big headache producer. A little bit more rotation in there. Then I like to give a little relief traction right through here at the very end.